Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 2, 2022. One star Sudoku. Fourth row. 4 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 7, 8. Second grade. We have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 7. Column F. We 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column F. 8th row. We have 7. 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Fifth grade, we already have 3, so 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. Column J and 9th grade, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 10th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, 9th row, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row, we already have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 9th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 7th row we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th row we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 3rd row we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 2nd row we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 7th row and 3rd row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 7th row we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column C, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column D, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 7th row we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 6th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. 5th row and 7th row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. There are only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 5th row already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.